Overall Equipment Effectiveness, OEE. So, what is Overall Equipment Effectiveness, OEE? OEE is a method used to measure manufacturing efficiency by using performance rate, availability of machine, and quality rate. It measures the efficiency of productivity in percent. With 0% means zero productivity, it means an inefficient production. 100% OEE means perfect production, produced only good parts, as fast as possible, with no downtime. OEE is calculated with the formula. Overall Equipment Effectiveness, OEE, equals product of availability, performance, and quality. Benefits of OEE. Knowing OEE helps us to find inefficiencies in the production cycle. It helps us to set goals for improvement and track the progress. OEE provides benchmark data for the new process setup. OEE helps to track progress in eliminating waste from a manufacturing process. Overall Equipment Effectiveness is the gold standard for measuring manufacturing productivity. Simply put, it identifies the percentage of manufacturing time that is truly productive. An overall equipment effectiveness score of 100% means you are manufacturing only good parts as fast as possible with no stop time.